Your liver is amazing. It's one of the most vital organs in your body, performing over 500 essential functions. It works hard every day to keep you healthy from dawn till dusk without you even noticing. It filters your blood, makes energy, and removes toxins. It also helps in digestion and stores essential nutrients. It's a silent superhero working tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring your body functions smoothly. But just like any superhero, your liver needs proper care to function at its best. Neglecting it can lead to serious health issues. That's where liver-friendly meals come in. Eating the right foods can make a huge difference. By making smart food choices, you can support your liver and enjoy a healthier life. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are your liver's best friends. This guide is your roadmap to understanding your liver's needs and providing it with the nourishment it deserves. It's about making informed choices. We'll explore the power of food, discover delicious recipes, and learn how to avoid common dietary pitfalls. It's easier than you think. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a happy and healthy liver through the joy of delicious and nourishing meals. Your liver will thank you. Let's embark on this journey together. With every meal, you're taking a step towards better liver health and overall well-being. Your liver is the largest internal organ in your body. It performs over 500 vital functions. It's like a complex chemical factory working non-stop. One of its main jobs is to filter your blood. It removes toxins and waste products, keeping your bloodstream clean. Your liver also produces bile, which helps digest fats. Additionally, it stores energy, makes proteins, and regulates hormones. It even plays a role in fighting infections. With so many crucial tasks, it's no wonder that taking care of your liver is essential for overall health. Certain foods are particularly beneficial for your liver. Incorporating these liver-loving foods into your diet can make a big difference. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with antioxidants and help neutralize harmful toxins. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain sulfur compounds that support detoxification. Berries, especially blueberries and cranberries, are rich in antioxidants that protect the liver from damage. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines provide omega-3 fatty acids which reduce inflammation. Nuts, particularly walnuts, are high in healthy fats and antioxidants. Olive oil is a great source of monounsaturated fats which benefit liver health. Lastly, garlic and onions contain sulfur compounds that aid in detoxification. Now let's put the power of food into action with some easy and delicious recipes that will nourish your liver and tantalize your taste buds. These recipes incorporate the liver-loving ingredients we discussed. Get ready to enjoy meals that are both good for you and bursting with flavor. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It's about finding delicious ways to fuel your body and support its natural healing processes. In the following sections, we'll explore 3 recipes designed to promote optimal liver health. Section 5, Recipe 1, Mediterranean Quinoa Salad. This refreshing salad is packed with liver-loving ingredients. It's perfect for a light lunch or dinner. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup chopped cucumber, 1 cup chopped tomatoes, half a cup chopped red onion, half a cup chopped fresh parsley, a quarter cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a large bowl. Toss gently to combine. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. Why it's liver-friendly? Quinoa is a complete protein and a good source of fiber, both of which support liver function. Olive oil provides healthy fats, and the vegetables are rich in antioxidants. Section 6, Recipe 2, Turmeric-Roasted Salmon with Asparagus. This flavorful dish is easy to prepare and features 2 liver-boosting ingredients: salmon and turmeric. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 6 to 8 ounces each, 1 pound asparagus trimmed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a small bowl, combine olive oil, turmeric powder, salt, and pepper. Place salmon fillets and asparagus in a baking dish. Drizzle with the olive oil mixture. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until salmon is cooked through. Why it's liver-friendly? Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver detoxification. Section 7, Recipe 3, Berry Detox Smoothie. Start your day with this refreshing and detoxifying smoothie. It's a great way to get your daily dose of liver-loving berries. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, 1 banana, half a cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth, pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Why it's liver-friendly? Berries are packed with antioxidants that protect the liver from damage. Chia seeds provide fiber and cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels. Section 8. Liver-friendly eating habits. In addition to incorporating specific foods, adopting healthy eating habits can further support your liver. These habits not only help in maintaining liver health, but also contribute to overall well-being. Here are some tips to follow. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for your liver's detoxification process. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your liver flush out toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Eat regular meals. Skipping meals can put stress on your liver. It's important to maintain a consistent eating schedule. Aim for 3 balanced meals per day. Each meal should include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Choose whole grains. Opt for whole grain bread, pasta, and rice over refined grains. Whole grains are rich in fiber and nutrients that support liver function. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium, which can burden the liver. Always check food labels and try to avoid items with long ingredient lists. Control your portions. Overeating can lead to weight gain, which can increase the risk of liver disease. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help manage your weight and support liver health. By making these simple adjustments to your eating habits, you can create a supportive environment for your liver to thrive. Remember, a healthy liver is key to a healthy life. Section 9. Common dietary mistakes and how to avoid them. In this section, we will explore some of the most common dietary mistakes people make and provide practical tips on how to avoid them. Just as there are foods that benefit your liver, there are also those that can harm it. Understanding the impact of your dietary choices is crucial for maintaining liver health. Being aware of these common dietary mistakes can help you make healthier choices. One of the most significant mistakes is excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol is a major cause of liver damage. It can lead to conditions such as fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. The recommended limit is up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Another common mistake is the high intake of saturated and trans fats. These fats are often found in fast foods, fried foods, and processed meats. These unhealthy fats can contribute to fatty liver disease and other health issues such as heart disease and obesity. To protect your liver, limit your intake of fried foods, processed meats, and baked goods. Instead, opt for healthier fats found in nuts, seeds, and fish. Another dietary pitfall is consuming too much sugar. Excess sugar intake can lead to fatty liver disease and other health problems like diabetes and obesity. Sugary drinks and desserts are major culprits. Cut back on sugary drinks, desserts, and processed foods. Read food labels to be aware of hidden sugars in your diet. Overuse of medications is another concern. Some medications can be hard on the liver, especially when taken in large amounts or without medical supervision. Always follow your doctor's instructions and avoid unnecessary medication use. Consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new medication. By being mindful of these dietary pitfalls, you can protect your liver from potential harm. Making informed choices about what you eat and drink is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Section 10. Key takeaways for a healthy liver. Your liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in your overall health. By making smart food choices and adopting healthy eating habits, you can support its function and protect it from damage. Remember to incorporate liver-loving foods into your diet such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, berries, fatty fish, and nuts. Stay hydrated, eat regular meals, and limit your intake of processed foods, unhealthy fats, sugar, and alcohol. By following these simple guidelines, you can empower yourself to take control of your liver health and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Section 11. A final word. Empowering you to prioritize liver health. Taking care of your liver doesn't require drastic measures. Small, consistent changes in your diet and lifestyle can make a big difference. Listen to your body, nourish it with wholesome foods, and make choices that support your overall well-being. Remember that you have the power to make a positive impact on your health. By prioritizing your liver health, you're investing in a brighter and healthier future for yourself. Embrace the journey, savor the delicious food, and enjoy the benefits of a happy and healthy liver.